Good evening, children. Good evening.
Evening, ma'am.
How are you all?
Good morning. Good evening, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, beta.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, Neha. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, please turn on your videos. Yes. Good. Avesh is here. Neha is here. Adya. Where is Adya gone? Harshit. Your video is still not working.
Yes, ma'am.
You got it checked?
Ma'am, we go, ma'am.
Yes?
I'll go.
You'll go. Okay. Yes, Adya, please turn on your video. Adya, turn on your video. Yes. Okay, children. In the last class, we were discussing about some questions on factors, multiples, and co-prime numbers, right? And today we'll be starting about prime factorization, right?
Yes,
Please keep your videos on.
just a minute.
So far in this chapter, we have discussed about divisibility rules. We discussed about types of numbers and what else? Factors, multiples. What
We
else
did
have
some
we discussed?
exercises.
Yes?
Ma'am, we did some exercises.
Yes, we did some questions based on it, right? So we discussed about factors, multiples, divisibility rules, okay, types of numbers. These are the four things we have discussed so far. So today we will be doing prime factorization, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Do you have any difficulty so far in this chapter? Anyone with any difficulty?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Everyone is understanding what is being taught?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So keep practicing.
Ma'am, we
Yeah.
also discussed about common factors and multiples.
Which common factors and multiples? Yes. Okay. So please keep practicing. Okay. If you don't
Okay, ma'am.
practice, you will forget. Okay. Practice will keep you in touch. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Okay, this is what we had done in the previous class. Right? Only Neha was there for the previous class. Harshit joined very late and Bhavesh and Adya was not there. For today, our topic is prime factorization. Please write down the heading, prime factorization. Today is 23rd. Okay. Now, prime factorization is when we express any number as a product of factors. Okay. When we express any number as a product of its factors, we call it factorization. Right? What is product of factors? Now, suppose if I say 2 and 3 are the two factors. If I say product of the factors is this. So that means if I have to take the factorization of 6, it will be 2 and 3. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can just write down a simple expression for this. Factorization is what? Product of factors of a number. Okay. Product of factors of a number is factorization. And what is prime factorization? When you add a number word prime to it, then prime factorization is product of prime factors of a number. Okay. So prime factorization is product of prime factors of a number. Now, why do we find prime factors, children? Why do we find prime factors? What is the need of finding prime factorization? Can't we do with just factors?
Ma'am, ma'am, for finding the HCF and LCM.
Yes, for finding HCF and LCM. See, prime factorization means when you get prime numbers, okay? If I say 2 into 3 is, for example, I'm just taking, if 2 into 3 is 6, so here 2 is prime, 3 is prime, right? So both are prime factors. That means the 2 and 3, they cannot be further split into any more factors. They cannot be split into any more factors. Okay?
The basic factorization.
Exactly, the very basic one. That's why we call it prime. Okay? So it cannot have any more factors further. That's the reason. Okay, now let's see how do we find prime factorization. See here, suppose for example, I'm taking a number 24. See, one method is factor tree method. There are two methods of finding. Factor tree method and the other one is grid method. Okay? Other one is grid method. Okay, let's do with factor tree method. The number is 24. Now I have to find the factors of 24. Okay, I'm taking number 24 here. Let's make a factor tree. Now 24, if I have to split this, the very common numbers come to my mind is 6 into 4, 24, is it? Or I can even write 8 into 3. That also comes to my mind, right? So you can take anything. Okay, I'm taking 6 and 3. 6. Oh, sorry, 6 and 4 here.
Ma'am, we can take.
Ma'am, 2 12s are? Ma'am,
Oh, I
2 12s are?
can take 12 and 2 also. I can take 8 and 3 also. I can take 6 and 4 also. Any combination I can take. Okay. Okay. Now further I'll be splitting this. 6 can be further split into 2 and 3. And 2
Yes.
can also be further split into 2 and 2. Now here I have got all these numbers that I have got are all prime numbers.
Yes.
Yes. So this is the prime factorization. Okay. Suppose if I had to do this number with, as you are saying, ma'am, you can take 8 and 3 also. Okay. And you can take 12 and 2 also. So that can also be done. So here, what will it be? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, and I have 3 here. Right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So same way, if it is 12 or 12 and 2, so that can also be done. So this can be 6 and 2 here, and this can be again 2 and 3 here. Right? Again, I'm getting this same factors only, all primes. Right?
Yes, ma'am. All same prime number.
So any combination I can take further. But thing is that I have to take factors and another factors for that. Okay, now let's see the grid method of this. Simultaneously, I'm showing you the grid method also. Look here, I've written the number here. This is the grid that I'm making, right? So first I will see that this number is even number. Okay, so I'll divide this with 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 2. Then again I can see this 12 number, it can go with 2. So 2 6 is 12. Then 2 3s it can again go with 2. Now this, it's here 3 now. Now 3 can go only with 3. Okay, so the factors which I have now are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, like this. So when I multiply all these, I will get 24. So I have expressed 24 as a product of prime numbers. Okay,
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
children? Do you
Yes, ma'am.
understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you understood both the methods? Even with the factor tree method, what combinations you have got? 24 is equal to 3 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, like this. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's take another example. Example number 2. Okay, let's take number 90. Right? Now let's do, you also try this first with tree method and then with grid method. Here is Adya. I can't see Adya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you Adya? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, beta. Please try for 90.
Okay, ma'am. I got the division method. I mean the grid method.
You have done with
Ma'am, the grid method.
grid method. Okay, good. So any combination for 90 you can
Ma'am,
take?
9 ones are 9. Ma'am, 9 into 10 is equals to 90. 9, 3 threes are 9. 2 fives are 10.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm done with that.
Okay, good. Now you can see here all these are prime numbers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it can be any combination. As I have taken 9 and 10, you can take any combination for 90. It can be
2 and
15 and
45.
you can even take it 15 into 6 also. Okay.
Ma'am, 2 into 45.
45 into 2, that also you can take. So you can take any combination that will not make any difference to your answer. So what are the factors, prime factors we have got?
3
This,
into
right? So this is what product of prime factors. So
Ma'am, is 9 a prime factor?
I have not written 9 here. It's 3 into 3.
There's 9.
Where is 9?
9 tens are.
I have written, I have to take these factors later, which I get at the end finally. I will not
Okay.
take,
Okay, ma'am.
I have to take these numbers, which I get at the end, in the last step. Okay? Okay, Bhavesh? Whatever I get in the last step, only those factors I have to take. See in here, in this question also, whatever I have got in the last step, that I have to take. I have not taken this number, 6 into 4, I have not taken. I have not taken 8 into 3. I have not taken 12 into 2. I have only taken whatever I have got in the last step. Here, 3 was the last step. Here, 2 into 2 into 2 was the last step. So I have taken whatever I have got in the last step. You get it? Are you understanding? This is what I have got in the last step.
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Okay. So you don't have to take the middle step. Okay. Now same way if we find with the grid method. So now I can take this is even number I can do with two smaller number. So now this will be 45. Now 45 can go with 5 now, 5, 9, 3 and 3, then 3 with 1. Like this I've got. So prime factors, here I have got 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. I've got the same factors with both methods.
Yes.
Good.
Even we can get 90 with 330s.
Yes, of course you can have. Okay, now next example number. Let's do more examples. Sometimes, you get like this number, there one factor is missing and they will put a question mark and then it will be asked what number is missing here. So that also you have to find out, right? So sometimes questions are like that. Okay, we'll practice. Okay, let's take, I'm taking the number 16. Now I'll ask you one thing. This is okay. Now you will tell me what will come in these boxes.
First box will be 2.
First box will be
2.
2. Okay. Then
Next one will be 3.
good. Next.
And 2 and 5 at the last. 2 and 5, ma'am.
Okay. So like this, it will be asked. They will be giving you just question mark here. As I had left the circles blank, no, they will put question mark. They'll ask you.
Ma'am, even it is in NCRT textbook.
Yes. Okay. So this type of questions also will be asked. Okay, let's take a number now. Example number 4. I'm giving you number 840. Please find the prime factorization. Find the prime factorization.
Ma'am, both methods.
Yes, you can do with both methods.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, should I say?
One second, let others also try.
Ma'am, I'm done. Okay, ma'am. I did it.
Okay, let everyone do. Okay, done? Done, children? What are the factors of this? Adya will tell you. 1 second. Adya will tell you. And let me take answer from Adya. Adya, what are the prime factors for this?
Ma'am, 84 into 10.
84 into 10. Why are you taking 84? I'm saying prime factors.
Prime factors.
Yes.
2 and 3, ma'am.
2 and 3.
2 and 3, 7, 2, 5.
2 and 3, then 7,
2, 5.
2, 5. Okay. Just multiply and check. Are you getting the same number? Are you getting 840? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 5s is 20. 20 into 21 is 20 into 21 is 420. But this is 420. Something is still missing here. There is 1, 2.
And one more 2.
1 more 2. Okay. This is it. Right, children? So 3 times 2 is here. So when you have 3 times 2, you can write it in the power like this.
Okay, ma'am.
You can just write it in the power form. This is another way of writing. If you can follow, you can write it like this. Because 2 is written 3 times here, so you can write it 2 raised to power 3. If you understand it, if you can follow. Otherwise, no need to write like this. You can just write like that. Okay, let's take another number. 147. Find the prime factors.
Mama got it.
Okay. Yes, tell the answer.
It's 3 into 7 into 7.
3 into 7 into 7. You can even multiply and check your answer. 7 7 is 49. 49 into 3 is
Got the same answer, ma'am.
22. Yes, you get it. Okay. Good. Okay, let's take another number. 3600. Please find the prime factors of this.
Mama got the prime factorization.
Okay.
Mama, I also got.
Okay. Harshit. Harshit, tell me the prime factors.
Mom, I got 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into
1 second.
5.
How many
Two.
times? How many times do you got?
Ma'am, 4, ma'am.
4 times 2. Okay. Then next, after that,
2 times 3, ma'am.
2 times 3. Okay. Then
And then 2 times 5.
2 times 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is, okay, this is 100, 100, and this is 6, 6 is 36. Okay, good. Okay, now take the next number. 1440. Please find the prime factors.
Ma'am, I got the prime factorization.
Okay. Let me take the answer from Bhavesh now. Yes, Bhavesh? Tell me the factors.
Ma'am, 1 second, I'm doing it.
Ma'am, I also got the answer, ma'am.
Good, beta. Very nice. Yes, Bhavesh? Hurry up. Okay. Please write the next question. Write the smallest 5-digit number. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in its prime factors. You understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the prime factorization.
Okay, just a second, I'll ask you. Now see, here you have to write the first smallest 5-digit number and then you have to find its prime factors. Okay? So Bhavesh, tell me the prime factors of this. Number 7, example 7.
Ma'am, it's 2.
2, how many times 2?
Ma'am, 4.
Okay. Okay,
Ma'am, and another 2. And then 2. Ma'am, 5.
5 times. Okay, then.
And 2 times 3.
Okay,
And 1 time 5, ma'am.
1 time 5. Are all getting the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you do the 8th one,
Ma'am, I got the next 8th one.
okay, just a second, let others also do, then I'll ask you.
Okay.
If you are done, you can start the next one. Next question is greatest 4-digit number. You have to write the greatest 4-digit number first, then find its prime factors.
Ma'am, I got the 9th one.
Okay, great, beta. Good. Now see children, you have found out so many prime factors. No, we have done so many sums and prime factors so far. Okay. See one thing, did you observe here? We are getting all the factors. Prime factors means there are no other factors other than this because these are the prime most, right? But
Yes.
there are only 2 factors which are not coming in this list. What are those? It's just an observation. What are those numbers?
Ma'am, even numbers? No, ma'am.
Anyone? Anyone else? Which are the two factors? There are still two factors which are not coming in this list, in the list of prime factors, whatever prime factors for whichever number we are finding. Those numbers are 1 and the number itself. Isn't that?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't that?
Yes,
It's just a small thing just to observe. We are getting all other factors, all are prime factors, but only factor which we are not getting is 1 and the number itself. Right? So whenever we are finding prime factorization of any composite number, we are not getting number 1 and the number itself. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now Harshit will tell me factors for question number 8, example 8, smallest 5-digit number and express it in its prime factors. Yes,
Ma'am,
Harshit?
I got the answer as 4 to
Yes?
4 to
4 times 2. Okay,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
just, because there's less space, I'm writing like this, 2 raised to power 4, then
4 5s, ma'am.
and 4 5s. Okay, so that means 2 into 5 is 10 and 4 times 10 means 10,000. Good. Okay, so that is 10,000. Right? Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Adya will tell me this now. Adya, answer for ninth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the greatest 4-digit number first.
Ma'am, 9999.
9999. Okay, what are the factors?
Ma'am, 11, 1111.
1111. What is that? Prime factorization I want.
Ma'am, 1 minute, I'm trying.
So if you are asked a question, what factors are not included in the prime factorization? You will write 1 and the number itself. Okay? Okay, children? If suppose you are asked a question, what factors are not included in the prime factorization? So those numbers are 1 and the number itself. Yes, are they done?
Ma'am, the prime numbers are 3, 3, 11, 101. I think so.
Okay. So what is that? 3. 3 into 3. Okay, 3 is 9.
11 into 101.
11 into 101. Yes, good. Yes, Vita. That's correct. Okay.
Ma'am, it can also be 3 into 3 into 1111.
3 into 3 into 111. Triple one.
Ma'am, 4 ones.
3 into
Ma'am, 3 into 3 into 1111.
this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but this is not prime number, no?
Ma'am, it is.
It is?
Yes, ma'am.
But this can be split into 11 and 101. If you multiply 11 and 101,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, just check it. You get that?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is okay. So this number can be further split into 11 and 101. Okay, beta? So your
Okay,
factors are so your factors are 3 into 3 into 11 into this. Okay, good beta. Good, Adya. Very nice. Okay, let's take another. Okay, take the greatest 3-digit number and find its prime factors. I'm writing the question here. Greatest.
Ma'am, is triple one prime factor? Prime number?
What happened, Bache?
Ma'am, is triple one a prime number?
999. No, no.
Ma'am, triple one. No, it's not.
Greatest 3-digit number.
Okay.
Triple one, you are saying.
Ma'am, I got my doubt clear.
No, triple one is not.
Yes. Ma'am, I got the answer. I got the prime factorization. Ma'am, I also got the answer, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Okay, tell me, what did you get?
Ma'am, 3 I got.
Please
Ma'am,
leave
3
me-
into Ma'am, I got 3 into 37.
1 second. One person say yes.
Ma'am, 3 into 3 into 3 into 37.
3 times 3. 3 times 3. Yes,
Ma'am, I
Adya.
got Ma'am, 27.
Into 27.
No, 37, ma'am, it is.
37.
Ma'am, I got the same answer, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, same.
Okay, beta. That's nice. Good. Great. Okay. Okay, so for today, we will practice these prime factors, right, children? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's wind up with the class now. And the next class, we'll practice more questions on prime factorization, right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Thank you for today. Thank you for joining.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, beta.
ma'am.
You too. Bye, Vichi. Bye, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.